What's up, y'all? It's your favorite hair reviewer, Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. This wig that I have, it is a 5x5 HD lace wig from Nadula Hair, and she is 28 long, beautiful inches. Off camera, I did already pre-bleach and pluck the wig. I've shown that a couple times in my videos, so I try to not be so redundant. That's why I didn't show you in this one. I also did add layers to the wig, but here I'm showing you how I'm doing my big body curls. And it is very essential that if you're going to do these curls, girl, you need some layers in her. I did end up cutting the wig to about... Originally, again, it was a 28, but I think I cut it to about a 24 just to give it a cute, mature vibe. I really, really, really like it. This is a really good everyday wig because she is a closure. So if you don't even want to install her, you don't have to. I'm using this silkening serum from Fructis. It's my favorite if I'm trying to do a silk press or, you know, I just want the hair to be super glossy. This is what I use. And you can get it from any store, Walmart, Target, girl, wherever. This is my favorite part. The hair is so healthy. It's thick, beautiful, and these curls are super bouncy. This is literally my favorite part ever because this is always my go-to style. If you want your nice slade wig, baby, you are definitely going to need this hot comb, and you can't forget this step. My hot comb is so raggedy and ghetto, girl, because I use it so much, but it definitely will take your wig from a 0 to 1,000, okay? And here I actually did decide to do the ball cap method since she is a closure wig. It was super easy to do because I didn't have to do the whole hairline. I just liked how it looked better since the wig is HD lace. I wanted it to be super seamless, and sometimes because this is such good lace, if you don't do the ball cap method, you can just clearly see it and it doesn't look good. So I cut the lace, and now we're going to install as we usually do with our Got To Be gel. Don't forget to tie your wig down, your lace down as long as possible just to make sure she's melted and she's gonna last. I kept this wig on for about 5 days, and my favorite thing about this wig was I didn't even wrap my hair up, y'all. At night, I just literally went to sleep like a baddie and woke up and I brushed the wig out. The curls were still intact and the hairline was still intact. Honestly, I couldn't believe it. Here is the finished look after I did kind of trim the end so it wasn't so long. It came out perfect, and these curls, girl, last. If you want a bomb everyday unit that you can wear to the club or to work, this is the perfect unit for you. I'm going to leave everything on her in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Nadula, and I'll see you guys in my next video.